power, precision, and personality. Today, we're diving into the unstoppable world of GMC, a brand built on legacy, reliability, and raw American muscle. And at the heart of that legacy lies a series of vans that have stood the test of time. The GMC Savana lineup. From businesses hauling tons of cargo to families chasing adventures, the Savana vans have carried it all, with strength, space, and style that few can match.
In this video, we'll explore the top 3 GMC vans that dominate the roads. The Savana 1500,
2500, and 3500, breaking down what makes each one a masterpiece of engineering. So buckle up, because by the end of this journey, you'll understand why the GMC Savana remains one of the most respected van lineups in the world. Number 1. The GMC Savana 1500, the everyday hero. The story begins with the GMC Savana 1500, the most balanced and versatile van in the GMC family. It's the one designed for those who want power and practicality without going overboard. Whether you're a small business owner, a mobile technician, or an adventurous traveler, the Savana 1500 is the ideal companion. Let's start with what makes this van special: its design and build. At first glance, the Savana 1500 doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't need to. Its boxy frame, wide stance, and bold grille give it an unshakable presence. It looks like it was carved for work, built to move with confidence and meant to last for decades. But don't let the simple design fool you. Underneath that steel skin lies a heart of pure power. The 1500 offers multiple engine options, including the 4.3-liter V6 and the 5.3-liter V8, both of which deliver remarkable torque for their size. The V8 engine pushes out around 310 horsepower, giving you that extra muscle when the road demands more. Step inside, and you'll feel what makes the Savana different from ordinary vans. The interior is spacious, practical, and focused on function. There's seating for up to 12 passengers in some configurations, or open cargo space that can handle serious loads. GMC didn't flood the cabin with flashy screens or unnecessary tech. Instead, it focused on what matters most: durability and comfort. The driver's seat sits high, giving you a commanding view of the road. Controls are straightforward, visibility is excellent, and every feature has a purpose. It's a van that feels honest. No gimmicks, no distractions, just reliability and performance. But what really makes the Savana 1500 shine is its drivability. Despite its size, it handles surprisingly well. Steering feels stable, acceleration is smooth, and even when fully loaded, it never struggles to climb hills or handle long highway runs. That's what makes this van a favorite for small businesses, delivery services, and families who want a capable all-rounder. And when it comes to safety, GMC doesn't compromise. The Savana 1500 comes equipped with essential safety systems like stability control, traction control, anti-lock brakes, and multiple airbags. Newer models even offer rear-view cameras and parking sensors, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. In short, the GMC Savana 1500 is more than just a van. It's a dependable workhorse built for real people with real jobs. It's tough, practical, and affordable, yet still offers the comfort and confidence that GMC is known for. If the Savana 1500 is the hero of the people, then the next model, the 2500, is the hero of heavy duty. Number 2, the GMC Savana 2500. The muscle machine step up the ladder, and you reach the GMC Savana 2500, the van that means serious business. This isn't just a people mover. It's a powerhouse built for hard work, designed to carry more, tow more, and handle whatever challenge you throw at it. At first glance, it looks similar to the 1500, but don't be fooled. Underneath that familiar design is a beefed-up chassis, reinforced suspension, and a selection of engines that deliver relentless power. The most popular choice here is the 6.6-liter V8, delivering a staggering 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque. That's the kind of force that can tow up to 10,000 pounds, easily handling trailers, heavy cargo, or equipment for construction sites. The Savana 2500 also offers a Duramax 2.8-liter turbo diesel option, a favorite for those who value torque, fuel efficiency, and long-term durability. Diesel engines may not be flashy, but they're built to last. And this one makes the 2500 a serious player for business owners who depend on reliability every single day. The interior, like its sibling, is all about function. The materials are rugged, the layout is simple, and everything feels built to endure years of use. But that doesn't mean it's uncomfortable. GMC added subtle refinements: better insulation, supportive seating, and easy-to-access storage compartments, making it just as comfortable for long drives as for city work. One of the most underrated qualities of the Savana 2500 is its stability. Even with heavy cargo, it drives steady and smooth. The steering feels confident and the suspension soaks up bumps without breaking a sweat. It's built for tough jobs, yet it doesn't punish the driver. You'll also find modern connectivity features like available 4G LTE Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and navigation options. Proof that GMC knows how to balance old-school muscle with new-age technology. Safety gets another upgrade too, with lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and rear park assist available in newer trims. These small touches make a big difference, especially when driving a full-size van in busy city traffic. If the 1500 is the friendly neighborhood hero, the Savana 2500 is the muscle-bound big brother, built to push limits, conquer challenges, and keep going no matter what. But for those who want ultimate power, the kind that turns every job site into a playground, there's one more beast in the GMC lineup. Number 3, the GMC Savana 500, the ultimate workhorse now. We arrive at the top of the mountain, the GMC Savana 3500. This is not just a van. It's a symbol of power, endurance, and absolute capability. It's the van that businesses trust when there's no room for failure. When cargo must move, deadlines must be met, and strength is non-negotiable. From the outside, the 3500 commands respect. Its wide stance, solid body panels, and heavy-duty build give it a sense of purpose. Everything about this van is designed to perform, from the reinforced frame to the stronger suspension and upgraded braking system. It's like the 2500, but tougher in every way. Pop the hood and you'll find the same 6.6-liter V8 that powers GMC's heavy-duty trucks. With over 400 horsepower and more than 460 lb-ft of torque, the Savana 3500 can tow up to 10,000 pounds with ease. Whether it's construction materials, mobile workshops, or even RV conversions hybrid, this van handles it all without breaking a sweat. And when paired with the Duramax diesel engine, it becomes a true long-distance warrior, delivering incredible torque while keeping fuel use efficient. That makes it a favorite among conversion specialists and mobile businesses that need reliability day after day. Step inside, and you realize that GMC knows its audience. This isn't a luxury interior. It's a command center for professionals. Everything is within reach. Every control has purpose, and every inch of space can be customized to fit your needs. Need cargo capacity? You've got over 280 cubic feet of it. Need passenger seating? You can fit up to 15 people comfortably in the passenger version. But beyond raw power, the Savana 3500 has something else: presence. It's the kind of van that looks unstoppable. Whether rolling through city streets or hauling gear across highways, it projects confidence. The 3500 doesn't need to prove itself. It already has. Its reputation in industries like construction, logistics, and transport speaks louder than any commercial ever could. And while GMC designed it for work, many adventurers have turned the Savana 3500 into the ultimate camper van. Its massive space, towing power, and durability make it a blank canvas for creativity, a home on wheels that can take you anywhere. Safety and technology also shine here. Features like hill start assist, rear park assist, forward collision alerts, and StabiliTrak stability control make driving such a massive van safer than ever before. GMC understands that strength means nothing without control, and the Savana 3500 delivers both perfectly. At the end of the day, the 3500 stands as a symbol of dependability, proof that when GMC builds something, it builds it to last. The legacy of the Savana lineup. The GMC Savana lineup isn't about luxury, it's about trust. It's about getting the job done, day after day, year after year. From the light-duty 1500 to the powerful 3500, each van plays its part in a legacy that's been rolling strong for decades. They're built for real people, small business owners, contractors, adventurers, and families who need strength without compromise. In an age of fancy crossovers and flashy EVs, the Savana vans remain authentic, a purpose, not just appearance. Whether you need a workhorse, a travel companion, or a blank slate for your dream conversion, the GMC Savana lineup has you covered. So which one fits your life? The balanced 1500, the powerful 2500, or the unstoppable 3500? Let comments which GMC van you'd choose and why. And if you enjoyed exploring the power and personality of these legendary machines, make sure to hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Because more automotive stories are coming your way, right here on MotorMind Review. Until next time, keep driving with strength, keep moving with purpose.